Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with this Spyderco Paramilitary 2 purple G10 and Cruwear blade right over here for a quick review of just mainly the steel, because if you want to know more about the Paramilitary 2, you can just check out my full-length review and my maintenance video as well. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So, what is Cruwear? Cruwear is a super steel. It's famous because it's really nicely balanced between hardness, toughness, wear resistant, and corrosion resistance. So it's a very, very good steel for a knife because the main composition is going to be interesting because there's 1.1% of carbon that is going to improve the hardness and wear corrosion resistance, and also like it's going to give some strength to the steel. 7.5% of chromium because it's going to add tensile strength and edge retention. That's really, really important. Also, that's going to enhance corrosion resistance and as well wear resistance. Indeed. There's 1.6% of molybdenum, and that's going to be improving the machinability of the steel. There's a little bit of manganese, it's 0.35%, and that's for the brittleness of the blade. Really, really important. 1.1% of silicon, that's for strength, and 2.4% of vanadium, which is for wear resistance and hardenability. A little bit of tungsten, 1.15%, which is going to improve wear resistance and hardness as well. Also, you can notice that the this composition is just like a mixture, really, really high in carbon, chromium, molybdenum, and the great thing about that is the hardness and wear resistance are going to achieve really, really high standards. So also this guy can be hardened up to 64 HRC, which is absolutely crazy, up high there in the Rockwell scale. And the Cruwear is going to have a very, very incredible edge retention. The corrosion resistance is going to be decent. It's not going to be too crazy, but the wear resistance is going to be very, very good. There's pretty much high wear resistance in this guy over here. And of course, you know, the harder the knife, the steel, the harder it's going to be to sharpen it. But in this case, it's a little bit easier to sharpen compared to other steel with the same hardness, and this guy is going to give a great toughness. This composition is going to give a great toughness, but it's going to be at the expense of the corrosion resistance, so just keep that in mind. You know, if you want to compare something to Cruwear, for example, you can check like S30V, which is a pretty common steel, but this guy is tougher than that. M390, again, Cruwear is tougher than that. Cruwear is more resistant than A2, then D2, and then S30V in wear resistance, I mean. Also, this guy has not the best corrosion resistance of them all because it's lower than other knife, and that's why you have to sacrifice something to achieve other features, of course. So, I mean, this is a pretty cool steel for knives. It has a very good balance for the wear resistance, the high hardness that can achieve, and the high toughness, and quite some good, you know, corrosion resistance. That's going to be the downside. It's a pretty good choice for EDC knives. And if you have a limited budget and you're looking for like one knife, you know, one steel for all, it's probably that's gonna be you know, not the best choice, but also it's gonna be pretty good if you're looking to have a nice hardness and nice toughness. For sure, this is gonna be your guide. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.